Weather Station Installation Guide. Step 1 of the video. First, connect the PC bar 4GF sensor body to the solar radiation meter. Use an Allen wrench and hex screws to secure the two components together. Step 2. Mount the integrated monitor onto the support column. Step 3. Secure the bracket to the concrete foundation. Step 4. Assemble the power box and make connections. Use clamps to attach the battery box to the bracket. Next, proceed with the wiring operations. First, open the power supply box. Connect the power cables, communication cables, and module temperature wires according to the terminal block labels. Leave the live and neutral wires for the end user to connect to the 220V power supply. Alternatively, select them on-site based on actual conditions. Select the DC 12 voltage power supply and the 485 communication cable. Connect to the 485A and 485B terminals. Green wire connects to A. Blue wire connects to B. Component temperature wiring. Connect the power cable, ground wire, and signal wire to terminals 567 respectively. Verify the wiring sequence matches after connection. After connecting the component temperature sensor terminals, attach one end of the sensor to the back of the component being tested. 485 communication cable. After connecting the terminals, attach the other end, 485 OB, to the inverter's 485 communication port or the monitoring backend's 485 interface. After completing the entire equipment installation, remember to remove the pyrometer cover before testing.